Hello, in this video we're going to be looking at Fibonacci sequences. So the objective here is to recognise and generate Fibonacci sequences, including applying the rule to find further terms. So what do you think the pattern is going on here? We have the sequence 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13. Pause the video and have a think about this and I'll go through the answer in a moment. Okay, so welcome back if you managed to have a look at this. So if we have a look at this sequence here, we can see that we can always find the next term by adding the previous two terms in the sequence. So if we take a look at this, we have 1 plus 1 is 2, 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5, 3 plus 5 is 8, 5 plus 8 is 13. So the next term would be 8 plus 13, which is 21. And then the next term would be 13 plus 21, which is 34. So in a Fibonacci sequence, the next term is always found by adding the previous two terms. So here's an example. The first two terms of a Fibonacci sequence are 3 and 7. We need to write down the next four terms. So if we have 3 and 7 to begin with, the next term is going to be found by doing 3 plus 7. So 3 plus 7 is 10. The next term is going to be found by doing 7 plus 10. So that is 17. The next term is going to be found by doing 10 plus 17. So that is 27. And then the next term is going to be found by doing 17 plus 27, so that is 44. Here's another example. So the first two terms of a Fibonacci sequence are x and 7. The third term is 15, so we need to work out what x is. So if I write these out, so the first two terms are x and 7. The third term is 15. So 15 was found by adding x and 7. So we could say that x plus 7 equals 15. So x must be 15 take away 7, so x must be 8. So here are some quick fire practice questions on this topic. Pause the video, have a go at these, and I'll reveal the answers in a moment. Okay, so well done if you managed to have a go at those. So here are the answers on the screen, and that's everything for this video. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in another video. Bye!